Alright, let me see yours. So that's a screw. Alright, go ahead. That's a screw. This is, let me see, that's a finding center. This is the roof. You left your construction line off that one. This is a taper. What else is this since day?
No, that's all since day.
Zoom in, let me see. Those are small. So that's your screw. Alright, let me see the next one. That's a taper. Next one. You need to use other layer, outline layer, outline those.
I deal with them later.
That's the roof framework. Where's the construction? That's the finding center.
You want them too?
You're very late. Let me see yours. That's all I did. Where are the other drawings? Let me see what I did today with this class. Let me see. Zoom in until let me see. Let me see the.
This is all.
Those layers. So zoom into it. Let me see. It's too small. Zoom into the drawing so you can see a little bit larger. Yeah, it's lunchtime now, guys. First session is up.
Alright, that's what I like to hear.
Yeah, I do good.
If you're doing good, you're doing relatively good. But you're taking a little too much of me too, you know?
This is the last part. The last part was confusing.
You need to be able to, this is not correct.
That's not
Not correct, no.
So where am we done? Can you get a nice pool, bro?
You can go?
Yes, lunch break. Lunch break. Zoom in. Alright, go across and see. Where are the construction lines for that? I don't see them. Alright. Alright, let me see what you have done. Zoom in somewhere, let me see. Zoom in. Bring back the cross here to the side. Your mouse is difficult to work with. Alright. Let me see yours, son. Let me see what you have. Next drawing, let me see the next one. Good. Next one. Okay. Paper. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. Here is nothing. Let me see the other drawings. Quickly. Zoom in a little bit more. See a little bit bigger. Zoom into each drawing. One feature each drawing. Move across a little bit more. Okay. Let me see yours, son. Okay. Let me see the next drawing. Yeah. Alright. Let me use this. Let me see. Okay. Let me see yours as well. Oh, you close down? You don't need to close. You need to change those arrow sizes. They're way too large. Arrows are dimensioning. Needs to be adjusted. Let me see the others.
Okay, he came late, so.
Yeah, I figured. That's last glance. Let me see yours as well.
That's so something.
Let me see the other. Right.
I can do the other one. You are real thing.
Let me see the next one. Okay, next one. Alright.
Should the side of the other side.
Alright.